Hey beauty babes, so in today's video you're going to need a keychain of your choice. You're going to need these jump rings that you can find at Walmart for like $2. And of course you're going to need your favorite lip gloss. I got mine from the Beauty Supply Store as well as my business, Badazzled Goddess. You also need a knife with a sharp point. So now what you're going to do is take your lip gloss and your knife and make a small hole in the middle. Make sure it's not too far down or too far up, just in the middle. You're gonna want the hole to look something similar to this, small and tiny. This is perfecto. Now you're gonna take your jump rings, open them up of course, and you're gonna pick out 3. Well, I'm picking out 3 because I have 3 glosses. So now that you have your 3 jump rings already laid out, you're going to take a jump ring and you're going to open it. Just like this, guys. Just like this. You want to open it just like that, okay? Now you're going to take the jump ring and what you're going to do is stick it into the hole that you made with the knife. Just like this. Watch as I do that. After you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your keychain and you're going to put the jump ring onto the keychain. Just like this. Add a quick tip. If you have troubles closing the jump ring, use your teeth to mend it together. Y'all. Or use a pliers. But I was doing it the easy way and I just used my teeth. And you'll get this right here. Now, throughout the video, since I've already explained exactly what you're supposed to do, you can just enjoy the music and watch as I make the other 2 for my keychain.